I'm David from Hybrid Racing, and in this video, we'll talk about the K-Series swap fuel system package. So why is the fuel system on a K-swapped car different? Well, you have two styles of fuel systems, returnless versus a return system. Converting the engine to a return system is required when putting this engine in an older Honda. So the Hybrid Racing fuel line package consists of a few different products: the fuel rail, the conversion fuel lines, the fuel pressure regulator, the fuel pump, and the fuel pressure gauge. So to keep fuel pressures consistent, you have to use the Hybrid Racing fuel pressure regulator and the adapter lines, which then connect it to our fuel rail. So other recommended upgrades include the fuel pressure gauge, as well as the upgraded fuel pump. Since K-Series engines typically make more power than the factory engines, you want that extra capacity. It's also worth mentioning that all the Hybrid Racing fuel components are E85 and race fuel compatible. We offer two different styles of fuel lines for the K-Swap cars. One uses the factory fuel filter on the firewall. The other is a tucked line kit, which hides the lines and makes the engine bay a little cleaner. The Hybrid Racing fuel rail is machined from billet aluminum. It's anodized and laser etched. It has 3 AN ports, which are -8 ORB. Adapter fittings are included. On the face, it has a 1/8 NPT port for a fuel pressure gauge, and it's set to use factory-style Honda injectors. Our piston-style fuel pressure regulator is adjustable up to 100 PSI. It also has 2 -8 ORB ports at the sides, 1 -6 ORB port at the bottom, with a 1/8 NPT port for the fuel pressure gauge. If you have any questions about the Hybrid Racing fuel system, give us a call or check us out online, hybridracing.com.